As Buddha wisely said, all that we are is the result of what we have thought. The mind is everything, and I totally agree to it. जैसे मैं हर बार बोलती हूँ, माइंड गेम, हम छोटी छोटी बातों पे क्रिप करते हैं, नेगेटिव हो जाते हैं. एंड दिस इज़ व्हाट द टॉपिक फॉर टुडे विच वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस based on the physiological factors for the skin and hair. The worst part is we discriminate our skin tone. अरे ये तो गोरा है, ये तो काला है, and what not. Well, I would like to share that, let me tell you, I was rejected by a guy because his preference was not for a fair skin tone and he preferred a dusky skin color female. सो लेडीज़, अगर आप सोच रहे हो कि लड़के सिर्फ फेयर स्किन टोन के लिए जाते हैं, सो सॉरी, द वेरिएबल्स एंड वेरिएशंस ऑप्शंस आर टू मैनी. सो प्लीज़ स्टॉप दैट नोशन. दूसरा कि हम छोटी छोटी बातों पे सेल्फ क्रिटिकल बनते हैं. ओ माई स्किन, आई हैव सो मच ऑफ पिगमेंटेशन, लुक एट दी डार्क सर्कल्स, एक्ने कितने हैं, पिम्पल्स है, एंड वॉट नॉट. Oh, I don't have this exfoliating skin, I have to go for this polishing treatment, I have a bad hair day, my hair is too thin, अरे ये देखो मेरे बाल कितने गिर रहे हैं, पूरे दिन इधर उधर झड़ रहे हैं, it's so destroying, it's become so rough, it's so frizzy, I don't like my hair. If we are so self-critical, how are we going to love ourselves? How it is going to regenerate with more healthy hair? And how others are going to appreciate. So we look for the products for skin crafting, laser treatments, high-end, expensive and exclusive products, whether it is for skin and hair, we run for. And why? But look at the ironical part. We are ready to believe on those captions mentioned on the products. लाइक 3 हफ्तों में आपका रंग गोरा हो जाएगा, आपकी त्वचा को निखार आ जाएगा. लाइक रियली? एंड व्हेन वी आर यूजिंग द प्रोडक्ट, द एंड रिजल्ट इज ज़ीरो. सो व्हाट वी हैव डन, वी हैव वेस्टेड आवर मनी एंड द एनर्जी. उससे तो अच्छा वो 3 हफ्ते हम सोचे कि व्हाट आर द रूट कॉजेज बिहाइंड द डैमेजेस, वेदर इट इज स्किन, वेदर इट इज हेयर. लाइक इट कुड बी द चेंज ऑफ वेदर, or it could be change of water, or the change of our food habits, the intake of our food, the internal factor. जो हम पौष्टिक आहार ही नहीं लेते हैं, तो how are things going to affect? Whether our water intake is correct, हम क्या सोच रहे हैं, that also matters. Like छोटी छोटी बातों पे हम स्ट्रेस लेते हैं, एंजाइटी रहती है. Well, I would like to share a self-critical experience which I had gone through. So, once I had visited the matrimonial place, the marriage bureau, and the lady who was running the bureau, she saw my photographs and she saw me in person. Without asking any questions, she just criticized me, insulted me, and I was shattered. I was broken into pieces. Next day, I had taken an appointment for the topmost skincare doctor, a skin specialist. First, I happened to talk to the assistants and they gave me the damages for nearly around 90,000 to lakh for the package. Then I was worried and I stepped into the cabin of the main doctor, #1 skin specialist in Bombay who resides in Bandra. And she asked me one question. Tina, why do you want to go for this treatment? Have you enrolled for any beauty contest? Do you want to anticipate as a modeling profession? And I denied. I happened to share the story about my criticism and I rolled on to tears. She understood my plea and I told her that the lady criticized me for my jaw and for my frowning face, but which I denied to her that I am born with a trident on my face, on my forehead, and she heard me carefully. Instead of giving me the same package and the damages, she gave me such a positive comfort. She told me that if you are saying that you are born with a trident on your face, then go for it. Stick to yourself. Be you. Why you want to go what others are saying. Redefine yourself with the way what you have been gifted to. And with regards to the jaw and the lines on my face, she said most of these international actresses, they go for these arc lines, crafting, spending money, and you want to change yourself. These are the experiences which you have smiled or laughed in your life. So don't go for any modification. And that really released me my stress, and that really gave me a positive outlook to myself. And henceforth, I never looked back to any of these crafting specialists or the skincare products. Yes, what we need to take care is the daily routine, cleansing, the facial, all that daily care is important. Apart from that, don't be a rat race and run behind these exclusive, expensive products. Might as well redefine yourself, be the way you are, and that is what most important it is. So from the 21-day deal breaker challenge, today's morning affirmation, day 3. Well, I like to read it out because I have combined and curated. It's a little longer one, so here it goes. I am happy and blessed with a beautiful, radiant, glowing and clear skin. I repeat, I am happy and blessed with beautiful, radiant, glowing and clear skin. I am happy and blessed with beautiful, radiant, glowing and clear skin. So here the affirmation for the hair care. My scalp hair cells are rejuvenating with strong, healthy, bouncy, shiny hair with faster growth. I repeat, my scalp hair cells are rejuvenating with strong, healthy, bouncy, shiny hair with faster growth. My scalp hair cells are rejuvenating with strong, healthy, bouncy, shiny hair with faster hair growth. So this is it for the hair and skin affirmation, and tomorrow I shall come up with the new affirmation on the physiological factors, and I end this video with attitude of gratitude.